Ayan, set up tayo ng camera. Ayan. Ito yung date natin ng pagre-record ng video. Of course, to document ano yung mga ginagawa natin everyday. And at the same time, ginagamit din natin tong recording ng video para ma-assess natin yung progress natin when it comes to speaking. Ayan. So for tonight, I would like to share the things that I've learned while reading. Yan. Alala mo before, tinatamad talaga tayo magbasa. Pero syempre, na-realize natin na it is in learning that we discover new things. And it's also in learning where possibilities become endless. Naalala mo dati nung mga panahon na nagkakaroon tayo ng, in a sense, parang self-pity. Kasi parang minalas tayo sa buhay. Bakit tayo pinanganak sa gantong panahon? Sa gantong klase ng lugar? Of course, alam ko na now we are thankful for the family that we have. Pero noon, napapatanong tayo bakit ganon? Bakit tayo halos mag-isa habang lumalaki? And most of the time, before we are having this pent-up anger towards others and resentment, and also yung what if and questions, bakit nga ba ganun? Why are we born this way? Pero while I was reading the writings of Adler, the important thing is not what one is born with, but what use one makes on that equipment. Nung mga panahon na mas nagfo-focus tayo sa mga bagay na, in a sense, crutch natin, parang disadvantages, di ba parang ang hirap mang-move on? Ang hirap gumalaw, ang hirap mag-improve, ang hirap umangat. Pero when we started focusing on the things that we have, and when we started finding those advantages, kahit na napakahirap nilang hanapin, when we focus on what we have that could help us grow and improve and move forward in life, doon nag-umpisa yung progress natin step by step. And I know, hindi pa masyadong ganon kataas o kalayo yung nagawa nating progress, but friends, if we will look back 3 years, 4 years from now, grabe yung difference. Grabe yung difference. Napakalaki na nung pinagkaiba natin from now to before. Dahil mas nag-focus tayo ngayon sa mga bagay na meron tayo. Instead of focusing on the things that we see as disabilities, as kakulangan, as disadvantages. Instead of focusing kung ano yung mga bagay na humihila sa atin pababa, we started on looking and focusing on the things that we can use. The things that we have na pwedeng tumulong sa atin to move forward in life. And isa yun sa mga bagay na nakatulong sa atin to also be happier, be more positive. And most of all, that is one of the mind shift that helped us to grow and move forward in life. Always remember, friends, before nagfo-focus tayo sa mga bagay na nagkakos sa atin, mas humihila sa atin, mas nagpapababa sa atin. Pero ngayon, mas nagfo-focus na tayo sa mga bagay na meron tayo. And at the beginning, nahirapan tayong hanapin yung mga yon. Pero still, we never stop finding those things that we have that could help us grow and move forward in life. Kahit mahirap, hanapin mo pa din. Kasi pag sinasabi mong wala, nagsisinungaling ka. Kasi meron at meron at meron yan. Meron kang advantages na wala sa iba. Kahit gaano pa kahirap hanapin mo. Meron at meron kang advantage from other people. And dagdag ko yung parable of the talents. We have been told by that story that all of us are given a talent. Lahat tayo walang exemption. All of us are given something to work with. Pero the more na mas tinitingnan natin yung mga bagay na wala tayo, hindi natin makikita talaga yon. Pero when we start looking in those gifts, talents, the things that we have, now we can start and begin working with them. And we can now start improving them and use them to multiply what we have and to multiply our talents as well.